What's happening, y'all? What's up? I know it's been a while. But yeah, look what your boy just picked up. I'm gonna be installing these tomorrow. These are the GTS style smoked taillights for the F80. Alright, so we got the Hulk right here.
Got the Hulk
Come on,
right
dog.
here.
Come on, 20, yo. We literally gonna be rocking the same
bro,
stuff.
we're locking in.
Weight reduction.
Yeah.
Ashley, you chilling over there?
Yes.
She hanging out
We
with
won't
us.
have mics far away so they can reach them.
Got it.
My
dog.
Ooh. Yeah, we're gonna...
Absolute fucking mechanic. MVP. Got the homie Alex here with us.
Yes, sir.
He's gonna help us.
He was like, much needed, please.
So Alex and Pete, they're gonna team up on the M4. Well, I'm low on coolant. Gotta do a parts run again. Get some coolant.
God damn it. God fucking damn it. God damn it. You're low as shit.
Alright, so I'm here with the homie Ari, about to do an oil change on his M4. Bro, Ari is too gangster. Not only is he lowered, but dude, where's the skid plate at?
Skid plates are for losers.
We good. Alright, we got it. We good. This little gasket off right here. Then you just wanna pop off the old oil filter. Boom, just like that. And you wanna clean this off. Put in your new filter. It's just that simple.
Edit out the Mobile One logo, please.
Oh yeah, I got it. I helped you with this oil change, right?
Hell yeah.
You always sound like a person. Anybody else seen a funnel this big? This thing is huge. Bro, Pete, look what you've done. You inspired Ari to become a menace.
3 days later.
Dang, yo, she looks good with the diffuser.
I gotta go in there and ask them. Yeah. Oh, shit.
Just needs a front lip and to be
All
lowered.
it needs, it's done, bro.
And
All
lowered.
you need, bro. Don't.
But I'm missing this. The new one's on the way. New one's on the way. I gotta check my emails. It already shipped, so it's on the way. But dang.